In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a screenshot on TradingView. If you've ever wanted to quickly share your analysis, save a snapshot of your chart, or post a clean image on social media, TradingView makes it incredibly simple, and I'll walk you through it in a clear, no-fuss way. Start with your chart open. Look to the very top right of the TradingView interface. You'll see a small camera icon sitting near the trade button. That camera is your snapshot tool. When you click it, TradingView immediately prepares a still image of exactly what you're seeing on the chart. Price action, indicators, drawings, and layout included. It captures the visible area as it appears on your screen at that moment. So a quick tip is to make sure the chart is framed the way you want before you click. Zoom to the right time frame, tidy up any drawings, and hide anything you don't want in the image. After you click the camera, a compact menu appears with several ways to handle your screenshot. You can download the image directly to your device, which is perfect if you want a file you can attach to reports, send an email, or archive for your records. You can copy the image to your clipboard, which is great for pasting straight into chat apps or documents without creating a separate file. You can copy a link to the image, which TradingView hosts for you, making it easy to share a simple URL with teammates or communities. You can open the image in a new tab to preview it full size. From there, you can zoom in to double-check details or save it using your browser's save options. Or you can tweet the image, which opens your browser's Twitter Composer with the chart ready to post, letting you add a caption before sharing. Each option does the same core job, getting your snapshot out of TradingView, just in the way that best fits how you plan to share it. If you work offline or need a permanent copy, download it. If you're moving quickly between tools, Clipboard is fast. If you're collaborating or posting in places that accept links, the hosted URL keeps it lightweight. And if you're previewing or organizing, opening a new tab can be the easiest way to check the image before saving. Once you've chosen the option that fits your needs, you're done. That's all it takes to capture and share a clean TradingView screenshot. Click the camera, pick your preferred output, and you're good to go.